Assalamu alaikum dear parents and students. Today I am here for the summer task of class 4. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So let's start our task. Okay students, so in today's activity we are here with a good friend activity. Okay, you have to solve this puzzle about being a good friend. Read the clues to figure out the words, write the words in the puzzle. These two are the clues. First is down and second one is across. You listen to me when these are the mentioned numbers that will help you to solve it. I solved it already, so here we are. The first one is invite, then talk, then help, like, play, okay, then share, then is sad, then friend, and it's here listen. Okay, so you guys have to finish this whole puzzle like this. Okay, so the next page we have is of mathematics. So these questions here are mentioned. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. You all know that in expanded form we write these words at 70000 plus 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2, and second one goes like the above one. Okay, the second question is write the following numbers in standard form. So you will write 39231 here, 4692 here. Okay, third one is write the following numbers in verse. So you have to write in verse that this all digits in number form. Okay, compare the following number using the symbol like this. 69,273 is here 69773. So 200 here, that's why it's less than, it is greater than. Okay, second one is this quantity, so this is less than this quantity. Okay, the fifth question here is in the number this, the digit 7 stands for 7000. How many thousands are there? 86. The biggest 5-digit number is this. Okay, so this is a full like you can say jump start your mind task. You guys have to solve it and you guys have to comment below, or you guys have to share the answer in the group with me. उसके बाद आप लोग यहाँ पे आएँ तो आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़िंदगी हमारे लिए अमली नमूना है. आपकी ज़िंदगी से जानवरों पर रहम का कोई वाक़या अपने बहन या भाई को सुनाएं. बच्चों, आप लोगों ने कोई वाक़या लेके, ठीक है, और अपने बहन या भाई को सुनाना है. उसके बाद आपके पास कुछ अल्फाज हैं, आपने इसमें से मुतज़ाद अल्फाज लिख के जुमले को मुकम्मल करना है. इंसान और जानवर सब अल्लाह ताला की मखलूक हैं. पाकिस्तान की तरक्की के लिए हमें दिन रात मेहनत करनी है. बहार में फूल खिलते हैं और ख़िज़ां में पत्ते झड़ते हैं. गर्मी हो या सर्दी, फ़ातिमा दफ्तर से छुट्टी नहीं करती. ज़िंदगी में खुशी के साथ गम भी होते हैं. उसके बाद आपने जिस तरह हमने पहले पज़ल सॉल्व किया उसी तरह का कुछ अल्फाज बनाने हैं जो कि हम अल्फाज हों, ठीक है, हम आवाज़ हों. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे खाली, तो यहाँ पे बन जाएगा खाली या फिर नाली, ठीक है. यहाँ पे खाली या नाली, सॉरी, ये है जाली और ये है खाली. उसके बाद है नादिर कादिर. उसके बाद है आपके पास यहाँ पे स्याली नवाली, ठीक है. इस तरह आप हम अल्फाज आप कोई और भी बना सकते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपने इसी तरह बनाना है. उसके बाद एक पेरेंटिंग टिप्स यहाँ पे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगी. वो क्या है कि आपके बच्चे क्योंकि उम्र में छोटे हैं अभी, तो अगर वो बच्चे कोई भी ऐसी शरारत या कोई ऐसी हरकत करें जो आपको नागवार गुज़रे, तो फिर भी उनको डांटिए मत, उनको गलत मत समझिए, क्योंकि ज़ाहिर है वो बच्चे हैं, उनको ये हरकतें करने का रद्द अमल नहीं मालूम. वो सिर्फ़ इसलिए करते हैं कि बाज़ औक़ात उन बच्चों को आपको खुश करना होता है या उन्होंने आपकी तवज्जो हासिल करनी होती है. तो आप कोशिश कीजिए कि बच्चों के जज्बात को ठेस ना पहुँचे, ठीक है, और वो मनफी रद्द अमल का शिकार ना हों. Okay, so the next one here is of grammar. Okay, you have to use the correct helping words. I have already done it. Ali is eating an apple. Students are taking part. Arsalan did not sleep. I am. Grandfather has. And Sarah had. Okay, so this is critical thinking one. You have to answer it. The paragraph here given is about Farah. Okay, She is celebrating her birthday. So what are the questions? How was Farah's birthday this year? It was great. Okay. Did she eat dinner at home? No, she didn't eat at home. She eat in restaurant. Whom did she meet at the space center? She meet an astronaut. Okay. And in the D part, you have to write the same meaning sentence. My parents and I went to the space center. I went to the space center. No, they went to the space center. No, we went to the space center. Okay, this is a very cool activity you guys have to perform by yourself. You guys have to copy and draw animal heads here and here also. Okay, so you guys have to make them with circle and oval shape. Okay, after that we have an activity of given points in correct spaces. You have to write them, plants and animals. I have mentioned here one goes with plants and two goes with animals, and you guys have to find out the similarities. Okay, then we have the main difference between vertebrates and invertebrates. So the main difference between them is presence or absence of backbone. Okay, vertebrates have backbone and invertebrates don't have. So this is the main difference. You can write it down. Again, there is a question about these two, that who are invertebrates and who are vertebrates. So I told you the difference between them is about the backbone. Okay, so I have mentioned one with vertebrates and two with invertebrates. So lion goes in one column, then human, then bird, then frog, and done. Then in the second column you will write down earthworm, snail, starfish, dolphin, sponge and molluscus. Okay, so this is the task that you have to complete. I'll be right back soon, inshallah. Okay, jazakallahu khair. Allah hafiz.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praise